How accurate are your inspection and analysis tools? Achieving high yields and exceptional product quality depends on them. Optimizing your packaging and assembling processes requires the most capable, precise, and reliable inspection solutions. Emerging challenges demand the integration of inspection into a total process optimization recipe, one for the entire production environment. Are you ready? You will be ready with Koh Young technology. We're the global leader in 3D measurement and inspection solutions for the printed circuit board assembly and semiconductor packaging markets. We pioneered true 3D measurement technology, a breakthrough for the electronics industry, and made it the most advanced equipment of its kind. Today, Koh Young offers total process optimization and quality control capability with a full lineup of inspection systems for every step. K-Smart ties everything together. SPI, AOI, and production machines with smart process analysis. Koh Young's customers are constantly seeking ways to effectively monitor and control their manufacturing processes. Automated control boosts productivity while minimizing costs, building a better process and ultimately a better bottom line. We're a global company with regional offices established to serve every customer locally. Koh Young Technology is the partner you need to optimize your process for high yields, product excellence, and maximum profitability. Together, we can help you successfully compete today, as well as meet the technology challenges of tomorrow. Partner with Koh Young Technology for achievement, success, and a dynamic future.